Hello and welcome. Today I have a very interesting story for you. Once upon a time there was a saint and he was crossing through the capital of a kingdom. He found a coin on the road and he picked up the coin. This saint was satisfied with his simple life, so he thought that I will donate this coin to someone needy. Throughout the day he searched for someone who needs the coin, but he could not find anyone, and at night he found a place and slept. Next day in the morning he woke up and he saw that the king of the kingdom is getting ready with his army for a war to invade another state. The king saw the saint and he came to him for blessings so that he can be victorious in the war. The saint handed over the coin to the king, and to this the king was confused, and he told the saint, "O great saint, I am the king of this kingdom. Why are you giving me this coin?" The saint smiled and replied, "O great king, I found this coin on the streets yesterday and I thought of donating it to someone needy. Throughout the day I searched, but I could not find anyone who needs this coin. Everyone in your kingdom seems to be happy and satisfied with what they already have. But today I found out that the king is still not satisfied and has desire to gain more, and therefore I am handing it over to you." The king realized his mistake and gave up the plan of war. Sometimes in our life, we have to understand what we already have and what we really need. I will see you next Sunday. Thank you for watching.